Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different than the normal videos I post, but I was having a really good day today and I figured I'd take you guys along for the rest of the day with me. I just got ready. I'm heading out to town right now because there's a few things that I need that I've not gotten because I've just been holding out on it, but I need to get them done just to help get other stuff done. So we're going to run by Hobby Lobby, maybe grab a coffee, go do some shoe shopping, may swing by TJ Maxx, get something to eat, just like a little busy day of random stuff that we're going to get done. So I'll take you guys along with us and let's go ahead and go. Okay, so we just got to Hobby Lobby and we went by and got a coffee real quick. This is from like one of our local coffee places, but it's half frozen hot chocolate, half mocha with a shot of caramel, and it's a frozen drink. Yes, it is cold outside, but we don't really care because I don't like hot drinks. They make my stomach hurt. And then we really like the frozen drinks too. So, got that to kind of snack on while we're shopping. Gonna go into Hobby Lobby and get the pins that I like. So, I'll see y'all in a second. And this is just a local grocery store that we have here that sells in like bulk. It is the only place that we can find deep fried cauliflower and some waffles we like. So, I go here every so often and stock up. And then after we left there, we went by and got some lunch before we headed back home. Okay, so I didn't take my camera into Hobby Lobby because, of course, I didn't want to carry my big camera around Hobby Lobby with me. But these are the pins I got. They're the Micron pins. And they come in all these different sizes. I've not ever got this one before, but it just comes in various sizes, and then you get a brush and a pencil. And I really like this pencil because it is super skinny, so I don't know, I just like it. And then I usually keep these colored ones, and all my other color ones are pretty good right now other than my black, so I just went ahead and got this because I figured they'd probably die on me sometime, and instead of having to go back to Hobby Lobby, I would already have it. So it comes with a blue, and like a bluish green, a red, a purple, and a brown. My other one, I think these were the same colors that my other set had, but I just really like these. They're good for my like Bible journal, they're good for my prayer journal, and my planner. They don't bleed through my pages, and they're really, really nice. They are pricey, but my other set I've probably had them for 2 years at least, and they're just now running out. So they are pricey, but they last a long time, so I feel like I can justify it by that a little bit more. Okay, so this is my old set, and it comes with all the colors that the new set comes with, other than this like baby pink. And I really, really like this kind of, I guess, color selection a little bit more because it came with this pink and the green was a little bit brighter than the new set. But this one didn't come with a black, so I had to buy like another set to have a black one. But I really like these if you're looking for a pen that doesn't bleed and is really fine and not very like chunky when you're writing and doesn't get any bigger than the tip that is on the pen. These are amazing. I love them. And like I said, they don't bleed in my planner. They don't, like, I feel like most pens, if the marker is like this wide, it ends up being like double that size when you write, and these really don't. So they are pricey, but they do last a long time. If you've not tried them, give them a shot and see how you guys like them. I also got several bags of these waffles. We have a place here in town that sells bulk items. It's the things that grocery stores and local restaurants get. So they get these huge like waffles. They're super thick. They honestly taste like kind of like a honey bun to me, but they've got some little sugar crystals on them. They kind of taste like a waffle honey bun. They're our favorites, and they've been out for a while, so I stocked up. I got 4 bags of them. They only come in packs of 6, So this should last us a little while, hopefully until they have them in stock for the next time. For my dehumidifier, I usually do or try to do a vinegar wash every week or every other week to kind of just keep it clean. And then once a month, I do a bleach wash where I just put like a cup of bleach water in it, hot water, let it soak, and then rinse it out really well. I really dread this, but I really miss being able to use my humidifier. So that's why I'm cleaning them. Okay, so it's actually the next day. I'm not very good at this whole vlogging thing. That's probably why I haven't done it much. But I was just going to go ahead and continue to do all the stuff that I had to do to yesterday, get it done today. Something came up last night and I kind of just forgot to vlog. There wasn't much to vlog anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and get all those things done and still take you guys along with me and show you what I'm doing. So let's get on into it. Okay, so I'm actually just starting off by going ahead and editing all of my film from yesterday. This is my favorite room spray of all time. It's Mrs. Meyer's in the honeysuckle scent. I get it from the Grove Collaborative site and I use it all the time when I make my bed. This is all I've got for today. I promise if I continue vlogging, I will try my best to get better. And thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you on the next one.